What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is May 2nd, and today, guys, I'm excited to go over with you guys week 18 of my 52-week $15,000 option dividend challenge. So let's get started. Before we get started, guys, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for sticking with me. Obviously, my portfolio has changed dramatically, and those of you showing very much support, still hitting the likes, and still commenting, I do appreciate each and every one of you. For all the new people that joining the channel, if you have not done so yet, please definitely hit the subscribe button. It does help me out very much, and also it gets me to my goal of 500 subscriptions. So with that, guys, let's get started. So my total market value here right now is $166,155. Of that, of equity is at $83,967.11. Margins used is at $82,187.89. And if you have been following me, you know all of my money is basically in AT&T. I did actually add 300 shares on Monday when it did drop to about $30.66. I did pick up 300 more shares, giving me an average cost of $29.67. Total return is just under $9,000. I did get a question of asking me why I don't just put the rest of my buying power into AT&T. If you follow my video, I do option trades, I do buy calls, I do try to buy back options. So I just want to have a little bit of money at least to do some option calls if I see it need be. So that's the reason why I keep just a little bit on the side. And also, I don't reinvest, I don't do a drip system with my dividends to the stock, because I do like to wait to see if the stock will fall a little bit just to try to buy at the dip. So hopefully that answers your question. So let's check out how the week went. So the day, I'm up $1,274.58. It did fall off just a little bit at negative 318 after hours. For the week, I'm up $1,609.01, just under 2%. For the month, I'm up $10,564.99. That's up 14.39%. For the 3 months, I'm up $19,449.09. That's up 30.15%. And the year, guys, I'm up $29,456.41. That's up 54.04%. And then my all-time, guys, I'm up $23,990.64, and that's up 40%. So I am very, very happy where the portfolio is going. If you do look at my all-time, you see how the chart is, and you see this dramatic drop here. I did get another comment from another YouTuber. He asked me if I would go into like Dogecoin or GameStop. I did do a very risky with margins and my own money here, and you see this huge drop off. So I am just sticking with my game plan. Once I got to here, I stuck with my game plan, and so far it's been working out better than any other game plan that I had prior to it. So that's why I'm sticking to what I'm doing and not going into any type of risky stocks right now. So let's look at the weekly options that I've done. If you watched the previous video of my AT&T goal to retire, or money that I could do to retire, even if I hit that share, I probably still wouldn't retire. But if you watched that, then you'll see how I do these options. So on the 28th here, I did a sell call for a $5 premium, 53 contracts, and I did end up buying it back. So just to explain it a little better, what this means is I got paid $5 per contract, which is 53 contracts. So they paid me to do this sell call, and I did buy it back for $3. So basically what that means is I made $2 per contract on this, which gave me a profit of $106. I did the same thing on the same day. I got a $7 premium, and I bought it back just for $1 less because I believe the day was ending, and I didn't want to start the day off, the morning off, if the stock went up dramatically. So I had $53. Next day, I did the same exact thing. I made $53. Same day, made $53. And then same day, selling a call, I did make another $53. On the 30th, I did it just probably 2 hours before market closed on Friday, and I was able to make another $53. So just with selling calls, I made a pretty good amount of money here, just buying and selling. So I know my average that I'm trying to get is $5, so this definitely surpassed it. And that's not all I did. On the 26th, I did do a buy call. I kind of chickened out a little bit because I was worried that the stock would not go up as fast as I thought. So I did actually sell these at a loss of $42. If I would have held on just probably later that day, I would actually be able to turn this into a small profit. But I'm not worried about too much with $42 on here, because if you look here on Friday, I was on an absolute buying call and selling it back spree here. So on the 30th, I think just around 9:45, I bought a call. So I bought 10 contracts at an average cost of $18, and I sold it for $20. I was making a quick $20. I did the same thing. I bought it for 17. I sold it for 20. Made $45. I bought 18, 15 contracts, sold it for 20, so I made 30. 3 contracts I bought, and I made $6. And the last one I did was $50. So in AT&T, I made a whole bunch of option trades, and for the most part, it all worked out in my favor. I did do a couple with Realty Income. It was a little scary because Realty Income, I sold puts. I don't know if I'm selling puts because I'm just a little bitter because I sold it, but overall with the AT&T move, I'm overall up more than I would be if I would have kept Realty Income. But I've been selling puts on this, and it has been scary. Like I said, I did 23 contracts at $199. At one point, this was at, I believe, like $125. So I was down a lot, and then it just fell off. So I was able to sell it for a profit at $205, bringing me a profit of $138. I did the same thing, just make a quick $10. I believe this was just towards the end of the day. I did sell another put at make $20. I know this is a small amount here, especially for this one, for the amount of money I put into it, but this is the kind of stuff you have to do to just make a little bit more than what you're used to doing. With Nokia, I sold a put, made $50. I try to do the same exact thing with Nokia, and it didn't pan out. So I was able to sell it at 37, which I'm not mad about because this was all the way down to, I believe, 25. So I could have lost a lot more money than I did. So I lost 30, but overall I was up 20 from making it the day before. I did do a Tesla call, which was absolutely crazy because I haven't done a Tesla buy call or option trade in a while, and I almost forgotten how much this price can change. So I bought it at $491, and within an hour it went to about $300, and then it went as high as, I believe, $550. I was able to sell it for $510, $19 profit. Not really what I was looking for putting this much money into a one option call, but I still made out on it. Did a buy call on eBay. I was watching someone's video. I saw that eBay fell. I suspected it would go up, and it actually dropped, and then it went up the next day. So I just took the quick $5 profit, but if I would have waited, I could have probably made this into $50. But all in all, guys, I ended up making $692 in all of these option calls for the most part. And if you guys pay attention, I work Mondays and Tuesdays, so I usually don't do too many option calls on Mondays and Tuesdays. If I didn't, I probably could make a little bit more overall. But for what I did for those 3 days, I'm very happy with what I've done. So $692 in total weekly options. So let's go move on to the long dividend option call. So this is the old one that I've had. Basically what I did, I just took the total amount of stocks, added it all together, and I have the total option, and I have the total option and the total stock amount. So if you look at the new chart here, I have my new AT&T 5,300 shares. Dividend is $2.08. Annually, I should get about 11 grand. $5. I don't know, I did 50 weeks, but 52 weeks would be $13,780. So I should make just under 25 grand with this amount of money that I've had in here at a 15 or 16% profit. So if we scroll all the way down here, if you look to the left on the stock side, week 18, I am up just a little bit on the stock side. It didn't move too much. So I'm at $15,644. Keep in mind, guys, with the options and with the dividends that I get, that's $212 a week that I'm getting just in dividends. So basically I'm getting $212 a week just in dividend pay overall if you break it weekly. And then if you look at the option side, just with AT&T, I made $480 with all of the buy calls, sell calls that I did. $480 in 1 week is not bad at all. With the other options, I made $212, and I did have a dividend pay with NRZ for $100. So for this week, week 18, I was actually able to make $792 in options total in dividend. So if you look at the margins here, May is coming up, so I will be adding that when it comes. I believe it's in the middle of the week. So if we do take the total amount of margins I'm paying, the stock and option dividend that I have, so if I've subtracted the margins, it comes up to $21,921 so far that I am up. Total deposits has not changed. I have not added any more funds, and to be honest with you, I'm probably not going to be adding any more funds anytime soon. So the total amount is still $12,030 here. So right now, I'm very, very happy with where my position is at $21,921 in an 18-week period. So that's a little bit over $1,000 every week in profit. So that's all going to be for today, guys. Remember, guys, please, if you guys like the channel, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like and comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how many shares you guys have at AT&T. Anything, I'll answer whatever questions you have. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a wonderful day.